Welcome back to Denyo's Common Misconception series. Today, we are going to debunk a costly myth that genuine spare parts are necessary. But, in reality, they are crucial in maintaining your machine's reliability and longevity. This misconception often comes from a desire to cut costs, as non-genuine parts are cheaper upfront, and many businesses focus on immediate savings. However, this approach overlooks the long-term consequences, which can lead to a bigger, costlier problems down the road. In a recent case, one of our customers used a non-genuine fuel filter in an attempt to save costs, and 3 months later, it was reported that white smoke began to appear from the generator. During inspection, we found that the fuel injector had become clogged, causing incomplete combustion and the appearance of white smoke. The root cause was traced to the non-genuine fuel filter, which had larger pores than the original. This allowed contaminants to pass through, affecting the machine's performance. If genuine fuel filters had been used, the customer could have prevented contaminants from entering the system and avoided the costly issue altogether. This case study highlights the value of genuine spare parts as an investment in uptime, efficiency, and the overall health of your machinery. Remember, choosing spare parts for your machine isn't just about buying a replacement. It is an investment in your machine's efficiency and the operability of your entire business. At Denyo United Machinery, we serve as the regional center for genuine spare parts and accessories for Denyo's full range of generators and equipment. To find out more, contact us through the link in the description box to connect with our parts consultant today. Thank you.